might be the package I'm waiting for. What can brown do for you? I hope you have 6 packages from Alabama.
Huh?
I hope you have 6 packages from Alabama.
I have 6 packages. Don't know where they're
Awesome.
from. But you know,
You're my favorite person today.
Hey, hey, do you have a cart?
Yeah, we're actually just going right inside this door right here. So, but I can probably get you a cart. So hold on.
I can do it this way, and we can just put them in.
That's
there.
fine.
Okay.
Yep. Yes, the wheels just came in for the van. My wheels came in. So first we started with a greening started with a US steel wheel. This is my first time seeing these, and I've never done an open box before, so hopefully I don't cut myself. Yep. There's the center. This is why it was important that Wayne measure it. See the spin on for the spinner? I don't know this. There's the spinners. So a custom machine spinner. Can you tell I'm excited? Oh. Look at the center plate. How awesome is that? See the greening logo on the side too? With the spinner. But yeah, so I got 4 of those. And then, so awesome. So I guess we need to put these together and put a tire on, put them on the van, see how they look. Check this out. About an 18-hour brisket. Wagyu from Miller's.
So good.
Hold this for me. Give me my hands. So fatty. Ugh. Made a mess. Look at this jiggle. All right, I'll take it. Thank you, dear.
Show off the meat.
I want to show off my meat. Look at that. Gross, huh? No, it's in the fridge. Wayne, don't scratch my wheels.
That's why I'm doing them.
That's why Wayne's doing my wheels. That's why I'm not doing my wheels.